We all know that exercise is beneficial to our health, but the prospect of committing a significant portion of our already limited time to going to the gym or pounding the streets may make even the most dedicated of us weep. However, there is a reason to be optimistic. According to a new study, even 10 minutes of daily jogging can have a significant positive influence on a person's health and well-being. Save this video somewhere handy so you can rewatch it the next time you don't feel like you have 10 minutes to spare. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced runner, pay attention to how your body changes from start to finish the next time you hit the pavement. Understanding your body's reactions will aid you in becoming a better runner. Your muscles begin to use adenosine triphosphate as soon as you start running. Your cells begin to break down glycogen, a kind of glucose stored in your muscles, in order to release more ATP. Your brain will tell you that you are under physical stress when your body needs more glucose and your muscles release lactic acid, also known as the burn. Running has a positive impact on the body's composition. Muscles grow leaner and bones become healthier and denser as a result of improved body form. Running for 10 minutes a day can increase your life expectancy by 3 years. Running is reducing the chance of developing cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death in the United States, and devoting as little as 10 minutes per day to moderate aerobic exercise can cut your risk of developing it almost in half. Given the improved cardiovascular fitness that goes along with exercise, it should be no surprise that working out regularly will improve your blood pressure. The more exercise your heart gets, the better it is at regulating blood pressure. Healthy blood pressure reduces your risk of heart attack and stroke. Exercise is really no-brainer. You will have a better mood. Not only is running great for your body, it is also great for your outlook on life. We've all heard of the alleged runner's high that people feel when they come home from a great jog, and science has actually found support for the idea. Running has been shown to improve mood immediately afterwards. Imagine you could spend 10 minutes each morning increasing the chances that you'll be in a great mood all day. And that's not all, your sleep will improve dramatically. Even when on vacation, being sleepy or grouchy is a surefire way to make someone unpleasant to be around. Fortunately, it turns out that regular exercise can help you sleep better than even the most powerful sleeping pills, and it comes with no negative side effects. People that run have a higher energy need because they want their bodies to metabolize things faster. Running will boost your overall bone density significantly, and this improves muscular endurance by increasing the capacity to create more energy from carbohydrates and fat breakdown. Improved muscular endurance allows you to run for longer periods of time without becoming exhausted. Running is an excellent aerobic activity that allows you to burn more calories over a longer period of time. When a runner's body fat levels drop, the muscles of the runner becomes visible, giving them their athletic appearance. Aside from bones and muscles, running makes your body fit in a variety of ways. Running for 10 minutes a day can also increase your mental function, so you will win on both sides. The only thing you need to do is to break through that comfort zone and watch your life improving day by day. Do you usually run? How often? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.